Nothing says summer quite like this destination right behind me. We're of course at WhiteWater, where we are just days away from opening weekend, Memorial Day weekend. And here with me to talk more about WhiteWater this year is Gerald Jenkins, the General Manager.
Hey, welcome. We're glad to have you here, and we're really excited for 2021 at WhiteWater this year.
As you should be. It's going to be a great year. And let's just start about WhiteWater in general, Gerald. And for anyone who's never visited this magnificent property, tell us about all the amazing things you have.
We're a 13-acre park. We opened in 1980, so we're actually 41 years old
Wow.
this year, so and we're very proud of it. We have a variety of rides, of course. We have our wave pool, which is 500,000, that generates waves. Guests love it. The lazy river, which is a beautiful tropic setting for those folks that just want a little slower pace for the day. Drop slides, all kinds of tube rides, a lot of exciting things for people to do, and it's a great place to bring for mom to bring her family.
Yeah, absolutely. And a lot of people think of it as a kids destination, which it is, but adults have fun here too.
Yeah, we've got a little bit of everything for somebody in the family. So thrill rides, chill rides, I mean, you name it, we've got it.
Awesome. I want to transition a little bit and talk about a very cool event you guys are having in July. I understand it's called WhiteWater, is that correct?
Yeah, and we've had WhiteWater before, but we're putting a different spin on it this year. We wanted to do something a little bit different. WhiteWater historically is closed at 10 o'clock, so really you got it in the middle of summer, you got about an hour maybe of nighttime riding time. This year we're going to stay open until midnight for 4 days, from July 14th to July 17th. We'll have fireworks every night, and we'll have some other things that we're still working on that we're going to announce later that'll really enhance the nighttime experience. So we're excited about it, and I think the guests will really love the changes that we're making.
And do people need to buy those tickets in advance, or how does that work?
No, well, you can buy them in advance at, of course, at silverdollarcity.com at the ticketing site, or it's a walk-in.
Fantastic. Hard to beat that. Well, Gerald, thank you so much. And sounds like a lot of cool things are happening here at WhiteWater in 2021. So make sure you check it out when you're in Branson this summer.
All right, thank you.